68 years old.
In a world where everyone vies for health, do these supplements genuinely matter? We've witnessed labels boast boosted immunity or enhanced wellness, but do they authentically deliver? A 2018 study from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology scrutinizes multivitamins, vitamin D, calcium, and vitamin C for heart health benefits. The findings: no significant impact on warding off heart disease or lowering mortality rates. However, folic acid diminishes strokes. Does this resonate with your views on supplements? Even with this info, the supplement world remains the Wild West. Unlike drugs, dietary supplements don't undergo rigorous testing. The FDA doesn't approve their safety or effectiveness before they hit the shelves. Does this lack of oversight make you uneasy? It's tempting to leap for easy health fixes, but it's crucial to dissect those claims. And because of that, it's making you feel. You need to make informed choices in the selection of the right dietary supplement. Scan the QR code now or visit website URL in your browser to discover how to choose the right supplements. Our free guide, 7 Easy Steps to Finding the Right Dietary Supplements, is a simple step-by-step roadmap to selecting supplements for your health goals. Or have you consulted health professionals or delved into peer-reviewed research before swallowing these pills? Knowing what's genuinely beneficial empowers you to make smart choices and dodge false promises. A simple step-by-step roadmap to selecting supplements for your health goals.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2020.